Dear students, now talking about equivalent conductivity. As we have discussed about the molar conductivity, now we will discuss about equivalent conductivity. So let us start. So for this, simply just remember equivalent conductivity is given by the symbol this, and for defining equivalent conductivity, it is simply the conductance of a solution that contains 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. Okay, you have to just remember here, that is 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, okay, dissolve in it. Okay, as earlier said, it is denoted by equivalent conductivity. Now suppose if V ml of a solution contains 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte dissolved in it, so for this molar conductivity will be equal to specific conductance into V. Here K is simply the kappa, okay, just you can assume it like this. Now the equation becomes molar conductivity will be equal to K into 1000 by C. Here the C is the concentration of solution having 1 gram equivalent electrolyte. Okay, earlier it was molar concentration, and here it is simply the concentration of solution having 1 gram equivalent electrolyte dissolved in it. Okay, K is simply the specific conductivity, and N here is the normality. Okay, here N is simply the normality. You can also take normality in gram equivalent liter inverse. Okay, so for this simply what is happening, the unit will be ohm inverse centimeter square and equivalent inverse. Okay, what unit will be, it will be ohm inverse centimeter square and equivalent inverse. Students, from these topics some questions are asked, like a calculative question, but I must say to you, in I guess 2019 it was directly asked that define conductivity and molar conductivity of an electrolyte. Okay, so you have to just practice these type of question for 1 or 2 marks, and it will be surely asked. Okay, and as the chapter is very wide, so far we have discussed so many topics, like what is electrochemistry, what is electrochemical cell, what is electrode potential, what is Nernst equation, what is electrochemical series, what is molar conductivity, equivalent conductivity, and so many topics. Okay, so in this way we have discussed all the topics related to this chapter, and I will send you some questions, so you have to practice that questions as tomorrow is Sunday, so just practice them, and on Monday we will discuss some of them also. Okay, so basically our chapter, that is electrochemistry, is finished now, but yes, we will discuss some of its question, and it will take almost 1 or 2 days. Okay, so thank you class. Until I will send some questions, you have to solve them.